Friends, hello everyone, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and also tell you how you can quickly and easily fix absolutely any website in your web browser. Be sure, friends, put your likes, please write your comments, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And let us be friends with you to get down to our topic. Now I will show you everything in detail. If you have such a situation when you need to fix some website, because you are afraid that you may lose it, perhaps some important or not very interesting information for you, then you can fix such a website. Well, for example, without sending it to some of your friends and so on. All this can be done in a web browser. Open the necessary web browser. In my case, it will be Safari. Next, you will need to go to this sign on the bottom left. Click on the three dots, and you can easily find the option that is called Pin. Click on it. After that, friends, you will be able to see that your site is anchored. But in what way? You will need to click on the two square sign on the bottom right. And you can see that at the top you have this website now appears not in the unfolded form, but in this miniature pinned form. And when you click on it, that's when it will open up full size. In this way, friends, it is very convenient to save any websites. You see they take up very little space in your browser, but they will always be at your fingertips. You can open them at any time and revisit them. Friends, here is such a quick and simple method you can easily fix any website in your browser. I hope you found this video useful and helpful. Please don't forget to put your likes, write comments, and also please subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye everyone.